Hi. Today, we will see how to disable and enable the screenshot taking feature in an Android app. The app will be coded in Kotlin. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the UI of the main activity. Let's see the UI first. In the activity_main.xml file, we have two buttons called Disable Screenshot and Enable Screenshot. Let's see the main activity now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, when the Disable Screenshot button is clicked, this is how we disable the screenshot feature on the mobile device. Also, we show a toast. And when the Enable Screenshot button is clicked, this is how we enable the screenshot feature on the mobile device. Also, we show a toast. Now, let's run the app. First, I will click the Disable Screenshot button. And now we can see that I cannot take a screenshot on the mobile device. Now, I will click the Enable Screenshot button. And now we can see that I can take a screenshot on this mobile device. So that's it. That's how you can enable or disable the screenshot taking feature in a Kotlin Android app. Thanks for watching.